Hello, and thank you for joining us today. In this video, we will be discussing how to make a loan change. There may be a scenario where a student may need to make an adjustment to a loan. Maybe they accepted too much or too little of what they were offered, or maybe they declined the loan by mistake. In these cases, a student can submit a loan change request to our office. This will give us permission to adjust the loan on the student's behalf. Our loan change form can be accessed through the Go Stockton portal. To get started, visit go.stockton.edu and click Login to Go Stockton portal. Enter your Stockton credentials. For new students, your username and password can be found within your acceptance packet. Then click Login. Once you are logged in, click on the Financial Aid tab at the top of the screen. This Financial Aid tab gives you access to important information and financial aid processes. To make a loan change, scroll down and click on the blue Make a Loan Change graphic on the left-hand side of the page. Please note that this loan change form is only to be used to adjust Federal Direct subsidized and unsubsidized loans, Graduate Plus, or private or alternative loans. Adjustments or cancellations to Parent Plus loans must be made through email. The parent borrower must send an email to finaid@stockton.edu detailing the loan change request. The email must be sent from the email address on the Plus Loan application for our office to process the request. After clicking on the Make a Loan Change graphic, you will need to enter your demographic information, including your first and last name, student ID number, email, and phone number into the text boxes. Then you must select whether or not you are a first or second year EOF student at Stockton. Click Next. You will select the year for which you would like to adjust the loan. To make an adjustment to a loan for the Fall 2020 and Spring 2021 semesters, select the year 2020, 2021 and click Next. Then you will select the type of loan or loans for which you are making an adjustment. Select all that apply, then click Next. Now you will select the time frame of the loan. Using this form, you can make an adjustment to an academic year loan or to a semester loan amount. Once you have selected the time frame, click Next. This is where you will make your request. You can either choose to cancel the entire amount or revise a specific amount. If you are going to revise an amount, enter the current amount of the loan. If you declined a loan, enter 0 into the current amount. Next, enter the revised amount, which is the amount you would like to have applied to your bill. Please also note that we cannot increase an academic year loan over the amount that was offered to you. We also cannot increase the amount of an academic year loan that you were approved for through a private lender. If you need additional funds, contact your lender or search for additional private or alternative lenders under the Education Loans tab on stockton.edu/finaid. If you're requested to revise more than one loan, you will have to complete this page for each loan you are revising. After you are finished, click Next. Finally, you can leave a message describing the loan change. Once you are finished, click Submit. You will receive a confirmation email letting you know that we have received your request. If we need to get in contact with you for any reason, we will send you an email using the email address provided on the request. As always, we are here to help. If you have questions regarding a loan change or any financial aid process, please feel free to contact our office. You can access our contact form to email or schedule a phone call with our office at stockton.edu/contact-finaid. Click on the Ask Us a Question graphic to get started. Thank you.